Surprising exercises to get rid of your armpit and back fat in 20 minutes. Toning your upper arms and the area around your armpits through specific exercises will strengthen your muscles. But losing underarm fat doesn't have to be just about lifting a weight overhead. There is nothing more frustrating than putting on your best and noticing your back and armpit fat rolls poking out. As a rule, we neglect our backs and armpits during workouts as we focus on the parts of the body we see in the mirror more often, like our abs, legs, and butt. Today we are going to draw your attention to some efficient chest and back workouts that will help you look your best in any dress you put on. Before we get started, please be sure to like and subscribe and turn the notification bell on. So we've prepared for you, and let's face it, for ourselves too, a workout plan for back and chest muscles that will help you build these areas up in just a month. After the first workout, you will surely feel like you were working muscles you didn't even know you had. Don't forget that resistance training is effective only when combined with healthy diet and cardio activities. Perform this workout 2 or 3 times a week, resting as little as possible between exercises. 1. Jump rope. It's good to start your workout with a 2-minute upper body warm-up. Jumping rope is a great way to work your shoulders and back. Don't forget about technique, turn the rope only with your wrists. 2. Cross with dumbbells. This exercise comes from boxing. It not only works on your back and arms, but it also warms up the upper body, improves speed and coordination. 1. Stand with your feet a little wider than hips length and keep your knees slightly bent. 2. Bring your arms up and push your left arm out in a punching motion. 3. Return to the starting position and then push your right arm out. 4. Keep switching arms for 60 seconds. 5. Repeat 3 times with 20 to 30 seconds breaks. 3. Chest press with legs extended. This exercise is a full body move. It strengthens the chest, abs, back, triceps and improves posture and flexibility. 1. Lie on your back with your arms over your chest and knees bent at a 90-degree angle while holding dumbbells. 2. Bring your arms up over your chest and lift the shoulders off the mat while raising your legs. 3. Return to the starting position and repeat for 45 seconds. 4. Repeat 3 times with 20 to 30 seconds breaks. 4. Upright row. This exercise targets the upper and middle back, improving the symmetry of your core and helps to maintain proper posture. 1. Stand up and hold the barbell, or dumbbells, with your hands. 2. Raise the barbell until it reaches the top of your chest. 3. Lower it back down slowly. 4. Keep doing the exercise for 60 seconds. 5. Repeat 3 times with 20 to 30 seconds breaks. 5. Swiss ball chest press. This exercise strengthens your shoulders, triceps and chest muscles. In this exercise, the Swiss ball complicates the task by increasing the range of motion. But if you don't have the ball at home, you can perform this exercise on the floor. 1. Lie the middle of your upper back on a stability ball or a bench with dumbbells in your hands and your palms facing each other. 2. Lower your arms out to the sides and keep your elbows slightly bent. 3. Keep doing the exercise for 60 seconds. 4. Repeat 3 times with 20 to 30 seconds breaks. Six. Push-ups. Push-ups are considered to be the most efficient exercise against armpit fat. Doing push-ups daily will surely do the trick. If you cannot manage the standard position, begin with knee push-ups. 1. Get down into a push-up position. 2. Slowly lower your chest to the mat and focus on engaging your back muscles. 3. Push back up to the top position. Repeat for 45 seconds. 7. Curtsy lunge with side kick raise. Take a big step back with your left leg, crossing it behind the right, and lunge. Stand up, kick your left leg out to the side and raise the left hand up to shoulder height. Repeat for 30 seconds and then switch sides. Repeat 3 times with 20 to 30 seconds breaks. 8. Plank rotation. Doing planks is a great way to improve your flexibility and strengthen your entire core. Beginning with the second training week, you can perform this exercise with dumbbells in your hands. Get down into plank position, with your hands straight under your shoulders, and your feet at hips width apart. Twist your core and lift your left hand toward the ceiling. Bring your left hand to the initial position and repeat on the right side. Keep switching arms for 45 seconds. Repeat 3 times with 20 to 30 seconds breaks. 9. Superman hold. The Superman hold is one of the most popular back exercises. It is a great bodyweight core move that perfectly works back stabilizing muscles. Lie face down with your arms extended up alongside your head. Engage your core includes to lift your arms, chest, and legs off the floor, turning your palms to face each other. Hold for 20 seconds, then lower and return to the starting position. Repeat 3 times with 20 to 30 seconds breaks. 10. Stretching. Finish your workout with back stretching. You can perform any stretching exercises like cat or camel stretching, for example. We advise using a Swiss ball, as it effectively stretches the lower back by providing greater freedom of movement. Put the center of your back on the ball. Bend carefully. Spread your legs and arms. Hold for 20 seconds. Following this workout plan, you'll not only get rid of armpit and back fat, but you'll also build muscles to maintain good posture. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to give this video a like and share with your friends.